Hi guys, hi everyone, how are you all? Happy Diwali. Today we went to Reliance Trend. There we have done some shopping there and we got a gift actually. So there was an offer for depending on our bill. If there is 7,000, 8,000 something, there was some offer, and for 5,000 also there was some offer, and there was one more was the offer, that is 3,500. So we did the 3,500 shopping, and we got a offer. That gift is cooker. Yeah, this is the gift we got, and this is a Jaipan cooker, and it is 3 liters, 3 liter, and it has 5 years of warranty, and the actual price, the MRP is like 1,355, uh, but we got it like as a gift for making purchase of 3,500, but we paid some 199 extra for this gift actually. So we will now open the gift, and we are going to show you the cooker. Yeah. So this is the cooker. This is the vessel, and this is the cooker. Wow, it's nice actually. Yeah, for like this is a 3 liter one. So looks good. Looks good. The quality is good actually. So the cooker made from food grade aluminum. I mean, they have mentioned the aluminum. Capacity is 3 liter, and it is made in India, by the way. Okay, guys, so this is the cooker, and if anybody is going for shopping to Reliance Trend, they can avail this gift by making 3,500 purchase. And this, like, we did the purchase in Pune location actually. So I'm not sure like this offer is for every location everywhere or not, but you can check that with the Reliance uh, people. Thank you guys, that's all. Okay guys, that is all. Thank you for watching this video, and happy Diwali all. Take care. Save Diwali.